If you're trying to use multiple payment gateways with ShopWired, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up so you can take advantage of different payment methods without the headache. By the end, you'll have a simple understanding of how to integrate multiple gateways into your ShopWired store, plus a bonus recommendation for something that might actually work even better for your needs. First things first, let's talk about why using multiple payment gateways can be a game changer for your online store. Different customers prefer different payment methods, whether it's credit cards, PayPal, or newer options like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Offering multiple gateways increases your chances of converting those customers into sales. But the key is setting it up correctly, and that's where ShopWired comes in. The next thing you need to know is that ShopWired makes it pretty easy to add these payment gateways. When you're logged into your ShopWired admin panel, just navigate to the Payment Settings section. This is where you'll see all the payment options you can choose from, and it's as simple as selecting the ones that suit your business. Once you're in, you'll find various options like Stripe, PayPal, and others that integrate easily into your store. But here's a little tip. Pay attention to the payment fees, as these can vary significantly between providers. For example, PayPal has its standard fees, but some of the other gateways might offer better rates, especially for larger transactions or international customers. Now, when you want to add a second or even third payment gateway, all you need to do is repeat the process for each one. ShopWired lets you stack payment methods, so customers can choose the one they're most comfortable with during checkout. It's a simple process, but make sure you test every gateway after setup. You don't want to find out something's wrong after you've already launched. The fourth thing to keep in mind is security. Each gateway will have its own security protocols, but you want to ensure that you're maintaining PCI compliance, especially if you're dealing with sensitive customer data. ShopWired generally handles security well, but double-check to make sure you're meeting all the required standards. But here's the catch. ShopWired might not be the best option if you're looking for deeper integrations or specialized features. While it works well for basic payment gateway setups, if you want more flexibility or additional customization, you might feel limited. For example, adding certain third-party apps can be a bit trickier compared to other platforms like Shopify, which has a much broader ecosystem for payment options. And here's where I'll make a recommendation. If you're looking for something that gives you more customization, better support for multiple payment gateways, and a more user-friendly setup, I'd suggest checking out some other platforms. These alternatives are better suited to businesses that want more control over their payment systems while still offering a range of options for their customers. Now, if you're still interested in ShopWired, there's something special I want to share with you. Through our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial that's only available to our viewers. This trial gives you the chance to explore all the features ShopWired has to offer and see if it fits your needs. But don't forget, we've got those amazing alternatives that could be a better fit for your goals, and they also offer a free trial. So go ahead and check out the link in the description. Whether you stick with ShopWired or explore other options, I'm sure you'll find a solution that works for you.